ever wondered how the hilarious dynamics of comedians Jerry Seinfeld and Chris Rock can help you master the art of comparison contrast essays? Just as these comedic giants illuminate distinct perspectives on stage, I'll show you how to spotlight the similarities and differences between subjects in your writing. Get ready to laugh, learn, and craft compelling essays that leave your readers wanting an encore. Before we explore the world of comparison contrast essays using the comedic styles of Jerry Seinfeld and Chris Rock, let's take a moment to get to know these two iconic comedians a bit better. Jerry Seinfeld, often hailed as the master of observational comedy, rose to fame with his self-titled sitcom, Seinfeld, which humorously chronicled the mundane and quirky aspects of everyday life. His humor is characterized by a deadpan delivery that highlights the humor in seemingly trivial situations. Seinfeld's witty commentary on everything from relationships to pop culture has made him a household name and a beloved figure in the comedy world. On the other hand, Chris Rock is known for his bold and thought-provoking humor that digs into social and political issues. And with an energetic and confrontational style, Rock fearlessly addresses topics such as race, inequality, and current events. His stand-up specials and performances often spark conversations that challenge societal norms and prompt audiences to reflect on deeper issues while laughing uproariously. Now that we've acquainted ourselves with these two distinct comedic voices, let's see how their contrasting styles can inspire us to craft captivating comparison contrast essays. So let's jump right into it and explore the nuances of this writing technique while enjoying a dose of comedic inspiration along the way. But before we do that, let's quickly review what a comparison contrast essay is. This type of essay involves analyzing the similarities and differences between two or more subjects. It helps you develop a deeper understanding of your chosen topics and allows your readers to see connections they might not have noticed. Now let's bring in our comedians to help us understand this concept better. Imagine you're comparing and contrasting the comedic styles of Seinfeld and Rock. Both are renowned comedians, but their approaches to humor are distinct. First, let's identify similarities between Seinfeld and Rock's comedy styles. Just like in an essay, it's key to start by finding common ground. Observational humor. Both Seinfeld and Rock excel at observational humor, keenly observing everyday situations and turning them into hilarious commentaries. Which leads us to another similarity: social commentary. They often comment on societal norms and human behavior, revealing absurdities in relatable ways. Now let's focus on the differences in their comedic styles. This part is like the contrast section of your essay, where you probe into the distinct aspects of your subjects. Delivery. Seinfeld's humor relies on his deadpan delivery and focuses on trivial, relatable topics, while Rock's energetic delivery tackles more controversial and thought-provoking issues. Tone is another way that they differ. Seinfeld maintains a light and observational tone, while Rock often adopts a passionate and confrontational style to address societal injustices. And now that we've compared and contrasted Seinfeld and Rock's comedic styles, it's time to apply this structure to your essays. First one, introduction. This is where you briefly summarize the subjects and your central thesis. Number 2, similarities. Discuss commonalities between your subjects, like Seinfeld and Rock's observational humor. 3, differences. Dive into the differences, such as their delivery and tone. And our fourth and final, the conclusion. This is where you sum up the key points and highlight the significance of the comparison. To master comparison contrast essays, practice is key. Try comparing and contrasting other comedians, authors, or even historical events. Remember, this skill extends beyond essays. It's about understanding connections and distinctions in various aspects of life. And that concludes our lesson on comparison contrast essays using the comedic styles of Jerry Seinfeld and Chris Rock. As you turn to your own writing, remember to observe, analyze, and present your findings clearly. Thanks for joining. And if you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. It's free and you won't miss any Learning with Dr. K content. Also, I'd love to hear about any other commonalities or differences between these comedians. And in the meantime, happy writing, and I'll see you soon.